Two babies together. Rocky. Go Nala there. Go Nala there. Nala. Rocky. Look mommy hello. Uy, chakachay. Chakachay. Ay. See together with Nala, right? A good boy man. Oh, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down beside of Nala. Go, go, go. No, don't come to me. Go there with Nala. Go there, Pressa. You don't come here. Nala. You're fat bitch. fat bitch, Nala. Go there, Rocky. Go with Nala. Just know you sit together. So sweet and loving, yoy. What is that? What is that, Rocky? What's that, boy? See my wakwak. This is my wakwak. She's so black. The eyes only of wakwak. She's alone inside the cage. Wakwak. This is the new video for wakwak. Nilagay ko si wakwak dito sa pintuan kasi siya ang nagre-receive ng mga negatibong masasamang mga elemento. Sabi kasi nila pag pure black ay talaga siya ang look at the wakwak. Wak. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. You're showing me your dramatization, huh? What are you doing, Wak? No, you're trying to reach me. Oh, no, you can't. Oh, don't do that. My Rocky. Where is Nala? Where's Nala, Rocky boy? Where's Nala? Nala ran out already. Oh my gosh. And then this is my two sweet. My two sweet. Skeleton and Caramel. This is my two Caramel and Skeleton. Look at them. They're not brother and sister. I just put them together. And then this is my Lulu. My Lulu. Big. And this is my Angmo. Oh my gosh. Angmo, you are so big. This is my Angmo. Look. Angmo. Magkapatid ito silang apat sa isang cage. Yan, ito siya ang eldest. Si Angmo lalaki. At then yan ang sunod. Si Lulu. Lulu, look at me. Oh, you don't like the camera? Why, Lulu? So, see, look, Angmo so handsome. Ah, cha. You're so handsome, boy. Oh my gosh. Look how fat and big my catty. My kitty. Huh? Lulu? Ah, you see, look at the food. Dami niyong pagkain. Yan. Ito si Lily Queen. You wanna sleep, Lily Queen? Ito ya, babae ito. Kapatid ni Angmo. Apat to sila eh. Yan o. Apat silang magkapatid. At ito si Nana, ang youngest. Nana, look at me, Nana. Nana. Babae din to. Dalawang lalaki at dalawang babae. Angmo, what are you looking for, Angmo? No, I'm just holding the box. Look, gaano kalaki yan. Ang laki-laki ng pusa ko. Look at that. How big ng pusa ko. Parang sila, aso ang kalaki, Tingnan mo. Yan. Yan. Oh. Yan si Lily Queen. Lily Queen. It's a bit dark. Lily Queen. Oh my gosh. Lulu. You jump like a horse. Lulu. See? Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang mga pussy ko. Pussycat. Look at, ay, ba't nag-blurred siya? You see how, kasi ito, malaki, sobra kasing laki ng ano nila, oh, ng cage nila. 1, 2, 3, 4 story. Yan, lahat nasa itaas na. See? Nagsiksika na kayo dyan, ha? Nagsiksika na kayong lahat. Lulu. Hi. Lulu. Stand up, Lolo. Come here beside me. Come here. Ay, nako, Lulu. Lulu. Ito na naman ang, ano kasi, ano na kayo eh. 2 years and March, April, May, June, July, August. 2 years and 5 months to sila. 2 years and 5 months. Yan, dami pa, may pagkain pa dito. Ibang klase pa yung pagkain nila dyan kasi iba-ibang klase yan eh. Pure meat yung isa is chicken flavor. Nilagyan ko lang. Kasi yung dalawa nasa itaas. Ito sila dalawa, mga babae sila. Haha. Nana. Lily Queen. Ang mo. Why you keep on jumping? Itong dalawa, oh. Ito din dalawa, oh. Tignan niyo. Oh my God. So loud. At ang pinaka-cute ko pa, itong ito. Ito sila mga mano lang. Magwa 1 year pa lang ngayong 1 year sila ngayong buwan na to. Ha? Ito si Inkay-Liz. No. Don't come. Yeah, come here. Look at me here. Dali. Yan, si Inkay-Liz. Oh, yan. Malaki yun. 1 year old. Yan. Si Inkay-Liz. At yung isa si Sunshine. Sunshine, come here. Nasa duyan ka na, Sunshine. Yan. How fatty. My baby. This one like, ano siya eh. Persian cats. Persian cat. O, tingnan mo. Nasa duyan na si Sunshine. Sunshine. Look at me, boy. So cute. Sunshine. Nagduyan-duyan ang hinayupak. Oh, yan. Ito si Inkay-Liz. Persian cat. Oh my God, so cute, so pretty. Ay, kaluoy. So good. You can't reach me, baby. Yan ang mga pusa ko. Malinis yung cage nila. May duyan kasi sila lahat may duyan. Yan, Sunshine, come down, boy. Here, come down. That I can see you. Dali. Come here. Down here. Down. Yan, look. Gaano kalaki yung mga katawan, mga matataba. Yan. Come down, Inkay-Liz. Inkay-Liz, come down. Don't climb up. Come down. Yan. Si Inkay-Liz, oh. Paborito ko to. Pero nasampal ko to sa gigil. Akong galit. Ako naggalit. Ako napaka-naughty, See? Mga matataba at malalaki. Magaganda yung mga balat ng mga pusa ko. Mga operada to silang lahat. Wala nang mga yagballs at wala nang mga mattress yung mga babae. Lahat to siya operada na. Alright, that's all. I just want to show my cat kingdom. Nasa likod ang iba. Ay, maglinis pa ako ng letterbox nila. Yan na. Ito sis Caramel. Wait I have to open. Caramel. Ay, don't come down. Look at me here, boy. No. Just stay there. Look, ganyan na kataba, oh. Caramel. Skeleton, stop. This is caramel. That's skeleton. No, 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 no. That's the apes. Don't come down, huh? Stay there. I'm gonna close. Alright. I'm gonna close your cage. Tong cage na to, ang mahal-mahal nitong cage na to, ha. Umabot ito sa mga 12,000. Tong cage lang na to. Hindi kasi ito ang cage ng pusa talaga. Cage ito siya ng parrot. So, yan. Yan, dalawa sila dyan. That's all. That's all. Oh, lahat nasa taas na. Matutulog na sila doon. Alright, tapos na silang kumain. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Good night, mga babies.